So now let's see how we can lock camera to view and then animate inside of Blender. So over here you can see that I got an object and I got a camera right here. So if you want to animate camera naturally, then you might want to lock up the camera and then animate it out. So to do that, I'm going to go around right here onto the camera, select this out, press 0 on my numlock keypad right here. And now I'm going to go around, expand this out, and over here in view, you can see camera to view is an option. Once you lock this out, what happens is that now when you move, the camera locks in place right here, and you can move this around wherever you want. I'm just going to expand the animation timeline right here, and now as my camera is selected, I'm just going to click on the camera to make sure it is selected. And now I'm going to turn on the auto keyframe right here. Let me just do a little bit of movement right here on the camera so that the auto keyframe is there. It's taken in place. You can see that now all of the transform for the camera location has been enabled right here. So now I'm going to go around into the other frame right here. So let's go around into the other frame, click and drag this around, and then the keyframe is added. You can go around right here, and now you can see that the camera animation has been stored. You can go around over here and then make a few adjustments. So I'm just going to hold shift right here, just like this, and you can see that there's the camera animation going on right here. You can similarly go around over here, zoom out as well, and there you go. You can see that the camera animation is being logged in place according to what I actually utilize. So I'm just going to go around, move this around, and you can see camera animation is there. So if I were to press the play button right here, you can see that the camera movement is there, just like that. This is the camera, the keyframes is what you see right here, and everything is there. And the camera animation is now much more easier when you do this. So you're looking through the camera, and then the camera is locked into view, and then you can animate out just by using your mouse, and then by using the auto keyframe, you can go around and then animate in the way you like. So that is how you can lock camera to view and then animate out camera inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.